The following message is being transmitted by order of the Chicago Police Department. The current standoff between Chase Parker and Chicago police is still ongoing. We now report that Chase Parker has ceased gunfire and is threatening to shoot Jack Cooley. The demands were to give advanced weapons to Chase if not given to him by midnight. He would blow up the city of Chicago and kill everyone in sight. The police and Chase Parker has not made contact until this time. Information will be broadcasted as it becomes available. We interrupt the following programming at the request of the Chicago Police Department. Around 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, information has been released that Chase Parker has cheated the deal with Chicago police. Chicago police believes this is a trick of some sort for the purpose of an attack. We now report that Chase Parker has exchanged gunfire between Chicago police. Everyone is advised to shelter in place at this time. If not, you may be putting your life at risk. Chicago PD has just released information of Jack Cooley. Please stand by for that message. The following message is being transmitted by order of the United States National Guard and the United States government. At around 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the Peoria Police Department has reported Chase Parker was in downtown Peoria. All residents in Peoria that is hearing this message is ordered to stay indoors at this time as Chase Parker is extremely dangerous. Stay tuned for more information from the emergency alert system. The following message is being transmitted by order of the Peoria Police Department and the Illinois Department of Emergency Management. At around 12:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, reports of Jack Cooley's second abduction by Chase Parker has occurred in downtown Peoria. The Peoria Police Department has just reported that Chase Parker has abducted Jack Cooley again. The Peoria Police Department are handling this situation as fast as possible. Chase Parker has made no demands at this time. The emergency alert system has been activated to keep you informed of civil danger events.
The following message is being transmitted by order of the Peoria Police Department and the Illinois Department of Emergency Management. Orders of evacuation has been issued by Illinois Governor's Office, and Department of Emergency Management has just decided that it is crucial to evacuate civilians from the state of Illinois due to the current hostage situations that has happened around the state. Civilians will be allowed to return to their residence once this hostage events cease to stop. Stay tuned to this station for all the latest information on the situation.